Yo fam, Mali. Today is the 3rd of June 2025 and I've got a package. It's 6:24, 8 p.m. and it's Tuesday, so I'm supposed to go to Pasar Malam or night market. So I got this one here. It'll be in the links below, in the affiliated links on how to buy this thing here. And this is no knife, so I have to use my teeth. Now just use this. So this is 4 liters of alcohol, not for drinking, for sanitization. How much is it? I have no idea. I think 35 ringgit. Might be different in the future if it's still sold by this vendor here, in the links below if you want to buy it. But I did F up because I'm supposed to get 75% alcohol. This is 99% alcohol. You're supposed to get 75% because you want the alcohol to linger on, so the water will keep the alcohol on the surface, killing all the bacteria and yeast and fungi. Stays longer and kills it. But if it's 99% alcohol, it's going to like poof, evaporate as quickly as possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a bottle, put in 3/4 of alcohol and 1/4 of water, shake it, and there you get 75% of alcohol. And spray into the steel box where I'm going to do my mushroom cultivation, or mushroom from grain spawning. Is it called mushroom spawning? Mushroom spawning. So transfer it in the steel box to make more grain explosion seeds. So still, this is not my first package. I got other things as well. I got the phone holder, not phone holder, phone cover that is got mesh. Let's in that one. I think I will make a video later on it, since I'm affiliated with Shopee now. So it comes like this. Oh, 36 bucks. Isopropyl alcohol. Is this the thumbnail? I'm not sure. Isopropyl alcohol, pure 99%. I think it's time to get you to me. I'm shooting in 1060p, is it? No idea. Isopropyl alcohol, pure 99.6, highly flammable liquid in vapor, cause I blah, 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 and you read it. So in the links below, I'm going to use this for my steel box, which I have here. I created it myself. The steel box is 100. I think you saw the video already, right? Me buying this steel box. I made the 2 holes at the other end there for my hands to go through. That's a steel box of mushroom cultivation. So in the links below, you can get alcohol from the vendor that I bought from. Just 35 bucks. It takes maybe more than a week to come, I think. Not sure. Who cares? Bye bye.